Hari ni kita nak tanam pokok caramel marble dengan penuh slay. Okay, let's go. Caramel marble, pasu 8 inci, baju slow release figure flower, medium kali figure flower. Okay, ni
What do I wear?
Dan juga
I only told you 12 times. The
ente
first
nampak
dress
ini
that you
pun.
put on is still your best find. We've been sitting in this dressing room for hours. I need a break, baby, I don't have the brain power. When you ask me my opinion, I'm always sure to be a minion. Girl, you're kinda like long division. Everything is difficult, help me help you. Girl, what you tryna do? Cause I don't got a clue. No, I ain't no Scooby-Doo. Help you, cause I'm hungrier than you. I just wanna get some food and you about to kill my mood. Help you.
Okay, siap. Jangan lupa 2 bulan sekali je. Okay, letak tepi boleh, nak tanam pun boleh juga. Okay, 2 cara boleh. Siap. Kita siram. Jom. Untuk ni caramel marble, nak letak pool boleh, tak nak letak pool pun boleh. Okey, ikut masing-masing nak buat macam mana. Tapi kali ni kita nak buat cara letak pool. Siap. Nak tengok contoh induk dia tak? Tengok ni, atas ni. Cantik tak cantik? Cantik tak cantik? Okey, dapatkan dengan kita.